we are back to the gardening, and you can see these are soft now. The earth is moist. I have digged it up. Everything is going good. I am putting some more mulch and soil, so we are ready for planting. As I said last week, we are planting chives, wheat, marjoram, and thyme in all two planters. So just before I start that, I want to thank those who have watched my home renovation, and I got some views on that. I'm so happy about that, and thank you for viewing. So I hope that you will stay for the garden too. All of this from a one-hand person. You will be seeing me sometimes doing some renovation in the house with my hand, one hand, So keep watching that and watch the playlist for the gardening. Please, I want to really build up the views on that playlist. So if I could get even 100 people to watch the playlist, please, if you can, and like it and share it out, I will really, really appreciate it. So now we are going to start our sewing, and I'm not putting on the gloves today. Did that earlier, but it's very is a hassle getting in on that glove. I wonder if there is any type of adaptive device that could help you put on a glove with your own one hand for the garden. If anyone knows, write it in the comments. So thank you very much for doing that. We're going to make 3 holes. So now we're going with time. And you can see they're very, very small. So I'm just going to put some in my hand. I'm not going to. I don't know if you can see. And the wind is very. They look like dust in my hand. We're just going to put them in the hole. I will think that some got in the hole. The hole that some will grow. Again, this is an experiment. You know, as I say, in my first videos, I said I do not grow from seeds. I use the shoots, the baby plants, and grow from. So this is an experiment. Yes, I got the flowers to grow from the seeds, and they grow very well. But this is the first time just planting real crops, I will say, from seeds. So we'll see if I have a green thumb for growing from seeds. I know I have a green thumb from growing from shoots, but we will see what will happen this time. So we just planted thyme. Now we're planting from some chives. If you look at them, they look like black specs, but it's a bit bigger, but it's just look weird. So yeah, try to plant this by hand, and they got in the hole. Yay! And we're going to cover them. And that is our choice there. And then sweet marjoram. Again, this is so small. You cannot believe that glorious crops that are so big and lovely comes from just these small seeds. And yeah, that was too much, but again, we will see how they grow. Okay, covering that as well. And we have to be thankful the Lord gave us a lot of herbs and plants and fruits and vegetables to grow to sustain our lives. Rarely the phone stopped recording with the audio. So as I was saying, the Lord has provided these things for us, as it said in Isaiah 1:19. If ye be willing and obedient, ye shall eat the good of the land. So what is that telling us? If we will plant, pray, and wait on God to watch our produce grow, we will reap our fruits and enjoy them. So you can see here I am finished with this planter. Now I'm going to the small pot to plant carnations. Yes, I'm trying this again. So I did that, and what I did with this pot I will do with the other. Yes, I have planted the herbs in this planter pot. The choice is sweet marjoram and the thyme, and in the small pot is the flower chrysanthemum. So I'm so happy that I have started back this adventure, and I hope you will come and join me with it. This evening I will cover these planters with the net or the nightgown that I told you the last time. I might put a image of that, but I'm so happy that I have started this back. So please watch the playlist for this garden and share and like. Bye bye.